Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalam ala ashrafil anbiya'i wa mursaleen. Nabiyyina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'een. يقول الله تعالى في القرآن الكريم إن الله وملائكته يصلون على النبي يا أيها الذين آمنوا صلوا عليه وسلموا تسليما اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل Muhammad. So we just wanted to talk just a little bit about circle field, because I feel like it's important, because the biggest shirk in the world is white supremacy, man. And it's affected everybody. It really has. And it's even the way we teach Islam. What we feel like is important is clouded by this sense of white is right and everything else is gradations of wrong. And Islam don't have no place for that. It has no place for racism and racial animosity. Islamically, it's looked at as jahiliyyah, right? So y'all like, why you keep talking about black people, man? Reason we talk about black people is to kind of tip the balance back. Because just like Bilal was descended from people who was not just royalty, not just kings and queens. You had, they had a civilization. This means you had teachers, you had engineers, you had architects. They built a cathedral in Yemen. This is very, very important to think about what got erased from Bilal in 40 years between the defeat of the Elephant Army and the coming of the Messenger of Allah. His identity is gone. 40 years. He knew who he was, though. But other people, they don't look at you like that. So now you come to the United States of America. The reason why Islam has made the strides it's made, the reason why it's masjids in all these cities, it's 10 masjids in Oakland, was because of people like Martin Luther King Jr., Frederick Douglass, Marcus Garvey, W.E.B. Du Bois, Rosa Parks, Harriet Tubman. Had those people not been here, America would have been a horrible place to live. So when you go back to work, you say, man, I got a nice house I'm living in. I'm able to go where I want to go. I can go eat whatever restaurant I want to eat in. You shouldn't think, oh man, that's because of these nice American white people. And not to say that it's been a lot of nice American white people. But there's a whole lot of white people to be like, go pick that up, boy. You that came to America in them days, they'd have been like, boy, go get that, pick that up and bring it to my house. Bring it around back. And don't talk that loud. Y'all too loud. Go over to the other side of the tracks with all that stuff. But there's been a people who came from slavery. So they were super people. So they was able to stand up to the oppression. They was able to make a way for everybody else. They was like, look, man, just like you see Michael Jordan jumping super high and dunking and Steph Curry shooting them three-pointers, that got clocked in their DNA from 400 years of oppression, man. It's made them resilient. You come to a place and you be like, all of these brothers, not only they been in penitentiary, but they did decades in penitentiary. You'll have a group of 10 people, 8 of them been to penitentiary. And they did decades in penitentiary. And there's a reason for that. Because young Karuna, or young Karullah, wallahu khairu makirin. Because these devious people, they had a plan on how we going to take over the globe. But Allah, He also had a plan. And Allah is the best of planners. It's like He put Bilal in the house of Umayyah bin Khalaf. He put Malcolm X in the United States of America. It wasn't a coincidence. It's not. It's a reason and it's a purpose. And that's the truth root, as they used to say. We can't be looking at each other like, look at these neighborhoods, look at these. When we get them people to become Muslim, they gonna be some Fajr praying, Taraweeh making Muslims, even though they was shooting dope last year. And then we'll take somebody who's been Muslim for 1,400 years. Can't get him to come to Juma though. And that's okay. If he don't want to come to Juma, he ain't got to come. Because there's going to be some people who they going to take this fight straight to the state house, not in a malicious way. We're not trying to be anti-heroes. It's just like Bilal came with the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. It was to correct what his grandfather was doing wrong. It's like we're not coming to destroy Allah's house. We're just coming to purify it from all these idols and false worship. We're not coming here to destroy America. Muslims, we are American. We're here to purify it from racism, xenophobia. That's what we're here to do. But if we start thinking just like everybody else, it ain't going to work. We're going to be just as backwards as everybody think we are. Allahumma ihdina fi man hadayt.